All right, so you're trying to do QuickTime Movie and you're noticing that you're not getting your microphone working. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here. We're going to click on QuickTime Player. It's going to open up this box. We don't need that box, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit cancel. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here and I'm going to click on File. I'm going to go to Screen Time Recording. It's going to open up this box here. Now, if you're not getting your sound, what you've got to do is click on this little downward arrow, and it's going to open up this other box, and it says internal microphone. You got to turn that on. Once you do that, now, see, you can see my voice is being recorded right now. And then all you do is you start your recording right there by clicking on that. And that's how you get your microphone to work. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your Mac, QuickTime Player, YouTube, all those other cool things. Peace out.